Ready to make your resume pop? Here's how industry terms can make a difference. Understanding industry-specific terminology can give your resume the edge it needs. So, what are industry terms? They're the special jargon and keywords unique to your field. Including them shows you know your stuff. First, identify key industry terms. Check out job descriptions, read industry articles, and engage with professional networks. Next, use these terms correctly. Make sure they fit naturally in your professional summary, work experience, and skills sections. Highlight your relevant skills and experiences using these terms. Describe your responsibilities and achievements in industry lingo. Don't forget to list any industry-specific certifications or training. Finally, customize your resume for each job application. Tailor your industry terms to fit the specific job you're applying for. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share for more pro tips like these.